Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cocktail custard, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 liter of whole milk, 4 tablespoons of your favorite custard powder, and about 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also, have 1 can of fruit cocktail, drained of its syrup. Make sure you have a sturdy saucepan, a whisk, and a mixing bowl on hand for easy preparation. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard base. First, take about 1/4 cup of the cold milk and mix it thoroughly with the 4 tablespoons of custard powder in a small bowl, ensuring no lumps remain. Next, heat the remaining milk in a saucepan over medium flame, adding the 5 tablespoons of sugar, stirring until it almost boils. Then, gradually pour the custard milk mixture into the hot milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a thick, creamy consistency. Once your custard has thickened, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down to room temperature. To speed up this process, you can place the bowl of custard into a larger bowl filled with ice water, stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes. While it cools, ensure you completely drain the syrup from your 1 can of fruit cocktail. Once the custard is cool, carefully fold the drained fruit cocktail into the creamy custard, mixing until evenly distributed. The final step is to chill and serve your delicious creation. Transfer the fruit and custard mixture into a serving dish or individual bowls. Cover it and place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours. This chilling time is crucial, as it allows the custard to set properly and enhances its flavors. Once thoroughly chilled, your homemade cocktail custard is ready to be enjoyed as a refreshing and delightful dessert. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.